Here we are, folks. Shenandoah. About 7 feet of water. Entrance rapid. Looking good. Some big shit's about to happen. We'll see. All right, see you guys downstream. All right, Bull Falls high water. This shit's gonna be sweet. Keep it going. Keep it going. Oh! Oh, so close.
I think if you'd done that, I'd have had to get up in front.
Yeah.
For sure.
All right, let's just relax. We'll go ahead and hit Bull's tail. All right, be ready.
Are we going to go far right or middle?
Middle. Let's go forward. Yeah! 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 Booyah!
So dirty! It's like a silhouette of brown mud.
And relax. What's up, fellas?
Hola, compadres!
Yeah!
No lunch truck?
Lunch rock's looking pretty tricky.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
I think we're gonna get stuck. Wait for it, wait for it. Yeah,
That's an awesome wave thing, dude. How's everyone feeling?
It's pretty solid. How about yourselves?
I think we live.
Always a good thing.
So wet, man.
How you guys doing back there? Nice. Lunch rock is pretty tricky. Good thing we survived.
Yeah, you just gotta stay
You look a
high.
little
You
wet,
gotta make that
Amanda.
shit stay high.
My choice is you're that way or that way.
Let's go forward. Looks like he's going left of it. Looks like it's actually washed out. This is it right here. Yeah, that's it right there.
Yeah, that's black hole.
All forward.
Yeah!
Dig in! Keep it going. Woo!
That's like a face full of poop water, man. Right there.
Right. You know it. It's about to get interesting.
Alright.
Skull Rock. All right, all forward. wasn't really trying to get right into that.
A little bit of dragging.
Dragon's tongue, bitches! Let's relax for a second. All right, so we're gonna go out here to the middle, and we're gonna hit Skull Rock, and it's gonna be the shit.
Alright, okay.
Right, just wait. Watch them drop.
Yeah. Right in front of me. Like, kind of like right in front of me.
Basically, you make the ferry like halfway across and then go down in the middle. Let's go forward. Keep it going. Woo! This is more washed out than I thought it
Yeah,
did.
I was gonna say that was not as big as I thought.
I really didn't think Harpers Ferry would be this washed out.
Well, like, look at those crazy sons of bitches.
Right?
So guys, and on the back, John, we want center.
All right, guys, we're in Harpers Ferry, coming up on the Potomac, which is running at about, what, 17, 18 feet?
Yeah, something.
It's looking good.
100,000 CFFs, here we come.
You know it.
And like,
Damn, that's big.
North Branch Potomac was at like 3.5.
That'd be nice. We typically run that at 1,500 CFS, which is like nothing. Man, I'd love to go hit the Kitzmiller section. Everything's running, man. Everything's running right now.
Well, happy Halloween, guys.
You know it.
Woo! And that's Waco, isn't it?
Yeah, that's, yeah.
Yeah, that is wake-up call. That looks so fucking cool.
Right? I'd hit that shit.
Alright, guys. Oh, shit.
Forward. Let's relax.
Oh my god, man. When that thing started to just curl over, I was like, oh
All right, be ready. Forward. We're gonna be YouTube stars. Keep it going. Look at that wave exploding right there. That shit is awesome. Let's relax. I don't know if I'd want to get into that.
Right behind it.
That's what I'm saying. Look at that shit. That's crazy. Actually, yeah, I did it. All right, forward. Keep it going. Booyah! Man, I really want to keep hitting the rest of it. Probably shouldn't though.
You do like the outskirts.
Damn, that was gnarly. I know, right? It looks so tempting. Oh, that was beautiful.
That was the best hit, Al.
That shit rocked my, that rocked my world, dude. That was just like mad water right in the face.
I gotta agree.
Eat it and be sick later. That's cool. Rock and roll.
I was loving that. You know it.
Totally worth it.
That was pretty sick. Well, this is looking interesting.
Yeah, I was about to say, man.
Let's just go all the way right there.
That's almost runnable.
Yeah, it is.
People have done it.
Al, good run, my friend.
You know it, dude. You
Good
know it.
run.
That was pretty solid.
Yeah.
Pretty pumped.
All right, man. Have to take out 2:14.
So 1 hour.
Actually, I got 2:13.
2:12.
You got 2:12. I'm a minute fast. Still, 58 minutes, man. 59 minutes.
Beautiful.
Good one, guys. Wait.